Okay. So again, today we're multiplying. The rules for multiplying are this. If you have the same sign when multiplying two numbers, they're the same sign, your answer will always be positive. If you have different signs, your answer will always be a negative. So for number 2, this is actually saying we need 3 negative 3's multiplied. All right. So what I keep telling students to do is almost imagine that this is not even there. Just solve the first 2. So who can tell me a negative 3 times a negative 3 is what? Yep. 9. Because they're the same sign, it's going to be a positive 9. Now we're done with this and we're left with a negative 3. Still another one. Now do they have the same sign or different signs? Different. So it's going to be a negative answer. And then 9 times 3 is?
27.
Yep. So it's going to be a negative 27. The next one, again, almost ignore the third one. Just do the first 2. So negative 1 times negative 3 is what? Yep.
Positive 3.
Yep, a positive 3 because they have the same signs. Then I still need to multiply, though, by the negative 4. They have different signs this time. So 3 times the negative 4 is a?
Negative 12.
Good. Negative 12 is the correct answer there. Number 4. This girl owns 100 shares of a certain stock. Suppose the price of the stock drops by $3 per share. What is a drop of $3? Is that a positive 3 or a negative 3, do you think? A negative 3. Very good. So they want us to write an expression. You could write it like 100 times negative 3. You could write negative 3 times 100. Again, because it's that multiplication property of, or the commutative property of multiplication, you can flip it around and you'll still get the same answer. So that would be 1 point for writing one of those expressions. Second point is for how much, or what's your product or your answer. So who can tell me, what is 100 times a negative 3? What do you think? Yep.
Negative 300.
Yep, so this is negative 300. And then like the third point is explaining what that negative 300 actually represents. Anyone know what it actually represents? Yeah.
She's making $300 less than before.
Yep, or it's her stocks are now earning her $300 less. So perfect. Great answer. Okay.